artists, guys. Now we are crying. Hey. You didn't know, guys. Me, I'm the one for the piano, guys. I don't know lie. We had a meeting at Chegwini. Beningazi, Bazozanani. Nanyalo, we still don't know what they are gonna come up with behind the scene, guys. You see. So I'm telling you, guys, you're still gonna cry. By the time Ban Babalega, Bakshia when Kundlin, guys. It's like it's shut you high, yabo. We were selling Kundlin when a all time there's someone sacrifice. So guys, cinema underground artists asempumalanga singabing laba selling Kundlin, guys. You see, come, let's fight together. Let's fight this thing. If it's not stable la, let's produce our artists la maning la empumalanga. Good to your car, guys. You see. So this is 589 TV, 589 FM podcast. It's Give the Soul, guys. Stream my songs on Spotify. Hey boy, happy. Mafana mapiano bagnokile. So ya buya Stefan la. Hey, go. Mfethu ungasitshela ngegoli kanyiwa. So guys, if you are thinking music and thinking egoli, I'm not thinking egoli. I don't wanna lie. My dream is not to go to Jozi. No, I want to take Jozi down here to Mpumalanga, guys. That's the main dream I have. Yini mshana? Yabona? Okay, ngiyeta ngifanele uPupai mshana ngiyeta. So I'm doing this live, guys. Ngikhiyela nabo mshana ngifuna ukuphazanyisa. Just ngicela kubona le post ya Tsipa over, guys. You see, still beefing with Maporisa, guys. You see, uyabona ukuthi Maporisa somshile, guys. Now Maporisa uyak Afrotech. You see, Kwaito instead usala uyi-1 ukhuluma ngeKwaito. You see, nalabo bafana bathi hey, thina bafana beKwaito basasina future sinangcono, guys. Vele it's true, bafana beKwaito abana future abanangcono, guys. You see, they were beefing for nothing. Kwaito is just a genre, nothing else. Usala ubeefa uyi-1, guys. So just because of this live Tsipa over. So he should have stayed la eMpumalanga. Ndoda simaningi ma-producer. Lot of just nje ukuthi uJive basute, just to say that bese ngahlola kwenda beat yokuthi trend ala. Cause ushiye stage letiningi, I don't know lie, guys. Tsipa over shit stage letiningi eMpumalanga. He was trending, I don't know lie. So ebona December ukuthi betrend kanjani. Mchita bayathi khulumela. So iJozi bekayifake under gunpoint, I don't know lie. Shout out to you Tsipa over. iJozi be under gunpoint. So net my performances. Uyabona iJozi imbambe ngemqondo wathini? I want 10k for a gig, yabo. So guys, if bekala eMpumalanga Tsipa over from November till namuhla, I'm sure 1 million ngabumendile if bekala eMpumalanga, guys. So lot of guys bebamsupport Tsipa over, I don't wanna lie. I've been to Nkomazi. Ngisho bantu labadzala, mina just ngendile survey nyana nje. Bantu labadzala they knew Tsipa over. Bashilo, they are downloading Tsipa over songs, guys. You see. So as artists la Mpumalanga, let's fight this thing. Yabona energy. I'm never, I don't know lie. I like the energy at Tsipa over, guys. Ufika lenye energy. You see, when you my podcast, they saw the energy, guys. When you my podcast, when you in. So there's this thing behind the scene la babashiya ngayo in the music industry. Every music industry, the message behind the scenes. That's why produce webuka inanzaba nokuvela. Noma ikho ku music video, it's gonna keep on producing another artist. You see, when you just njalo njalo. So let's find Mpumalanga together. Okay, Tsipa over, shout out to you mfana senkomazi usirepresentile, I don't know lie. Mpumalanga December vele ishukuma nje. Nengu artist bengilibona eMpumalanga kushukuma, it was Tsipa over. Vele bebasuta basimpe. Still mine into Tsipa over. So my advice to you, if you see this message, lengoma le, I think you must take it further. Yeah, go look for a record deal. Check someone. No muyekele bumaporisa, guys. I don't know lie. Leave bumaporisa like this. They are not gatekeepers for nothing, guys. They are not gatekeepers for nothing. They came here, baba. Lel tais vela maporisa. Lel bekshal tais maporisa. So ikalawa. Yakniga, it's okay. Now it's yours. Now take Tasaban Bako Baba now. Abakhale ngawe. You can go to Chico Twala. They are still crying about Chico Twala. You can go to DJ Sbu. They are still crying about DJ Sbu. Yabo, njalo. So Tsipa over. Rada. Contact DJ Sbu. I'm from Mpumalanga. I'm giving you a contact. go to DJ Sbu and don't go for 10%, don't go for 20%, don't go for 30%, at least 45%, get to 45%, as I say 55. I'm gonna grow below, cause you're gonna make money, kuma downloads, kuma streams, kuma music video, so it's better 45. Yabo, you cut it. Cause lengoma le ayikaphumi record the label nzawo, no. So I'm advising you ukuthi ubonile bayithanzile, itrendile kakhulu lengoma. So but we never have i-Pushback Rich. Ngitshela nge-Pushback Rich ayiyati i-performance yatsipa over yale ngoma bayojiva basude, no, abayati emkhuhlu, abayati i-performance. Buka bo Smart Manyora, shout out to la Machita. So impumalanga bayihamba ninini bebase batsingule nawe White River, yabona indzawo, they are from Nkomazi but they are performing nguphi, yabona spoiling bahamba around bakhona, yabona le mali lengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ungazoyifuna eJozi ikhona. So super over, go to DJ Sbu. That's the guy lokusida. Don't worry, DJ Sbu is the biggest gatekeeper baba. Uyambona ukuthi naye uyishayile, bakhuluma wabaleka. So he's back again. Bo DJ Clio, guys, no, that's what I want to do. Ngifunze lokho music industry. If they give you this platform, guys, no, it's your own dies. Khona umuntu lofuna ukuthi ashayile dies lakho. Ungakhadi, kushayina yena, uyashayina konga, awushayini wena but is your dies. Ushaya ipop ngeli dies lakho. You see, guys, it's like a gangster. Yebo, i-boss of the gangsters. Angeke ivume wena nalinye ilanga uvuka uphethe yona. Ngeke kwendeke. You see, guys, that's the mistake lesinayo. So ngifunza lokho music industry. Yabo, I want to be a gatekeeper. Nyalo ngiyi-timekeeper, guys. I'm still keeping this time. Keeping time. Ukuthi ngize ngifike ka gatekeeping, you see. So, but I heard the message gatekeeper ukuthi they don't know what we're gonna come up with. They went viral ngoba amapiano. Still labanye basaselect deep house. I don't wanna lie. Lo DJ Maphorisa urevealile ukuthi I'm going back to my Afrotech, yabo. That means vele akadlali i-decision uyithethe is better so shilo and vele soqhubekile, yabo. But some of them, they're still looking for DJ Maphorisa ku amapiano, you see. But we are moving on. That's why they're taking this thing abroad. Yabona, when something zela South Africa, yena so iqalile ngale America baba. Bayipusha le Afrotech. Very obvious la South Africa yoba hot vele nayifika isong. But nangale so ipushile. So tipper over, leave Maphorisa alone. Yosala wetha ngiyakubona, I can see your facial expression. I can see ukuthi it's like now your energy yakho idrainekile. Unga adopt istyle saseJozi, your energy is low. I can see you. It's like so kale kungena ama drugs now. Asifuni bo MT la eMpumalanga, guys. We don't do drugs. We don't lie. Sine eMpumalanga siphemisamo. Sinasachwana. You see things like that. Like when you upe what no, it's killing our energy. It's like uthatha amaphilisi uqedza amandla, you see. So tipper over, work on your energy. Don't lose that energy. South Africa ibonilele baba. South Africa ilele too much. I don't wanna lie. So keep up with the energy. When they show, you don't lose the energy all the time. Ube nale energy. Go to DJ Sbu, my man. Tell DJ Sbu, please. Ngicela ungiuse baba. They rather use you than ukuthi ubhizi phela. By the time DJ Maphorisa, this thing niqale la eMpumalanga nabo VK nabo Simba, then you took it serious, you see. Nanyawo take it serious. It's another step. They know you. You've been to podcasts, you've been to everywhere, you've been trending, got TikTok, goopy. So go to DJ Sbu. Tell DJ Sbu argues about, but don't take 10%. 10% is nothing, 20% is nothing, 30% is nothing, 40% upwards, you see. It's better 45%. You see, close to 50%. Then DJ Sbu is gonna make sure every song you make is a hit. So no matter what, but he's gonna make sure best producer, cause you are the product. Tell him you are a product. Unelmas South Africa. We're talking South Africa. Don't come to go see you are international. So we are all international artists, but South Africa. Think about South Africa. You have a Masla. You have Mpumalanga. Mpumalanga is looking up to you. asinalo artist lesibukele kude, then Impumalanga beyicabanga ukuthi you are gonna take it, yabo. So wena chubeka ulwe Tsipha over, don't go down. DJ Maphorisa, leave DJ Maphorisa alone. He's going to Afrotech. Angakushiyi njalo DJ Maphorisa, uyasala njalo my man. Focus. Utshele DJ Sbu, umtshele ukuthi Give the Soul, it's either DJ Sbu or Dr. Malinga. DJ Sbu or Dr. Malinga. Tell them it's Give the Soul. You are talking on behalf of Give the Soul in Mpumalanga. Is saying they must help you. I don't know the lie, my man. They must help you on behalf of me. They must help you. Bakunike nemoto yokuthi ukhona ukuthi ekhaya, my man. Imoto yokuthi represent ekhaya, so that music babona Mpumalanga they don't take music serious. Bakunike the key, my man. Just the key. Ubuye represent la. We still fighting to get our own record label. Ukuthi ngabita Oskido, come my man, let's do a song. You see, Kabza Small, come, let's do a song. We still don't have that studio la Mpumalanga. We don't have that studio that's Kunjaro. So we're still fighting that. But Tsipha over, go tell them it's Give the Soul. 589 TV. One thing to come with Josie, I don't know lie. I will come to Josie to represent Mpumalanga. Nami guys, mine I don't know lie, we have SAPC, but SAPC very national nje. So mine I'm the SAPC of Mpumalanga. I don't know lie. I can hear both teachers Tunkere, they are still crying, both teacher Miasa, they are still crying, fighting for that, you see. Buzi vele Mpumalanga is nothing. Shout out to bona both teacher Miasa, teachers Tunkere, cause balo ngihlala ngibeva bakhuluma ngalento. Hey bo Kaphaso, sipha yabo tino ukuthi nami I didn't know some of the things, but bona they are still fighting this. But art and culture, so as a musician we don't know the thing about art and culture. You need to be on the database, what, but you see good one. The standard is good, well they are fighting for that. Shout out to them. So we need a big stable. I don't know lie, I'm looking forward. Well, I still wanna work with Bomnia, Sabotiche Stunkero. Now but I'm still fighting my own, you see, because so span I'm gonna have my own stable, you see. So I'm building my own. So guys, lana ngizama ukukhulisa Tsipha over. Na ungacomment ukuthi uthini ngikhulisa Tsipha over, asimele kahle letulu, angalahle energy baba. Impumalanga siyahlanya. That's why you see we don't have ma actors lamaningi asempumalanga, you see, because we are really crazy, man. Everybody's gonna watch TV if umuntu wasempumalanga TV. Everybody's gonna watch. Crazy guys, you see. So you saw Tsipha over never gave someone a chance, even on the podcast. Ntarian, no, they didn't have time to talk. Yet he was telling them about Gusuta. Still that beef. Shout out to Logo. Le beef leyo isuka la Mpumalanga. Bafana bami baze bambuza ukuthi usho owakali bafana bami nini. But he didn't mention ukuthi ngisho bo VK what yabo. But he was joking nabo VK. Le beef yabona isebenzile eJozi imsebenzele guys. Nabo bebalo beef yabo. Bas manje lona solo nabani. So they wanna know who ulwa nabani. Go to Dr. Malinga or DJ Sbu, my man. Give the Soul 589 TV. I'm still gonna come to Josie, come to Teben. I'm still waiting for the sponsors, guys. Now I want to make it bigger. I want to. It's like this. There's no reunion, guys. It's like Gauteng and Mpumalanga. Gauteng Vele is the main province for everything, guys. But from now is Gauteng versus Mpumalanga, because everybody's also Gauteng just to achieve that dream. So I want to achieve that dream like in Mpumalanga. You see, guys. So it's happening, guys. It's gonna take time, well, but guys, everything is gonna be possible, no lie. So when they ngoma namuhla, si register namuhla, si master konke namuhla sikwenza namuhla music video sishushe namuhla sinasikhathi baba. Cover lesikhathi sisishilo see ma deadline. So this artist ayoba akhululeke kakhulu latoba a release under my stable, because ngilola lokho vele mina. If you can check just now ngimile kancane, but so ngiya release, guys. Go to Spotify, ngidropa ngathi vele ngathi kuyaliwa vele, you see, khona la ngijahe khona la munye ucabanga ukuthi this guy I understand the music. No, it's not that. Kaningi ngonda music ngakhoni ufaka ngama platforms. So if I make a song ayifaka nje angiyibeketeleli vele. I don't know, angizijaki nokushaya ama-promo nje, ngifaka same time guys, you see. So that ngicatch up with the speed. Why ngisayenda i-EP la sebashaya ngaka kuma-EP labanye ukuthi sebangishiya to ngihambisane nabo guys. We need to ukuthi ijozi ziyasishiya, nothing long. We need to be standard, sambe sibe parallel. Ngiyakutshela. So that will be a reunion between Joburg and Mpumalanga. Yeah, it's like when alien joining humans. You see, there's a code for that. What aliens will do? There will be no reunion between us and human. You see, now this is like that. Josie and Slice and us, Mpumalanga. It's like there's no reunion. Shout out to 30 June. Ngasi i-prosponiwe baba. So ngibone bathi siyaku4 November. So guys, check it serious. This there le live le. Ngethi ngicela kubona tipper over, ngiyabona ukuthi no, they are killing our guy slowly by slowly. I don't see the energy. So tipper over. I want to see the energy. Nasebusuku na ushaya ama live ngiyakubona ukuthi no my man, I want that energy. Give us the energy. Ube live ukhombisa ukuthi waseMpumalanga wena. Ubatshele baba tosuta basempe. Shout out to you all guys for watching this live. Thank you very much. Skip the soul for mtimanzi ngibambulu nyeke ngabantu bifuthi kaboni ngomageza ngebisi bantu bakhala ngelibisi. Chikiti inshihli paluni. Yesha.